How to fix Windows search bar not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply press the Windows key and R in your keyboard. And just like that, a dialog box is gonna appear. In the search bar, you need to go and simply search for services.msc and then click on OK. A new window will appear. After that, you need to go and simply go below, then simply locate Windows Search. Right click on the Windows Search, then tap on Restart. After restarting the service, you can simply close the window and then test the Windows search bar again. If the search bar is now working, the issue has been fixed. If the problem still continues, you can simply press on Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open your Task Manager. Now, find Windows Explorer, right-click onto it, then simply tap on Restart. After that, you can check again to see if the Windows search bar is working or not. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.